Hello, dear children. Welcome to all in St. Xavier's online classes. This is Utkarsh Khare. Today, I have brought a very interesting topic for class 2nd students in mathematics. This is part 2 where we will discuss about between numbers. Students, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, first you have to subscribe it, press bell icon for the latest notification. After watching this video, please like and share it among your friends. Students, in the last lesson, we have already learned before numbers with a very good trick. Now we will discuss about between numbers. I have already told in the beginning of chapter before, between, after numbers are interconnected to each others. So let's move in the lesson. I hope you have already recognized these are the members of the family members of mathematics. Everyone, you have recognized all numbers properly. This is the first number is 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 members of the mathematics family is always helps you. These numbers are basic foundation of mathematics. These numbers can make any other big numbers or any numbers which you want to form. So dear students, I hope you all numbers you have recognized which I have shown to you. Now let's move to the topic. Dear students, as you know, our today's topic is between numbers. So, how to understand between numbers? Because when somebody is asking between two numbers, what numbers will come? That time you may confuse because you are learning before number, after number, and between number. Sometimes these three concept or topics is confusing, so you forget which things I have to learn. So this is nothing to learn in the mathematics. Your mathematics is depends on your practice. Now let's take the example and understand, like 32 and 55. Here is this. I am writing here 34 and this is 57. These two examples I have taken here. One is 32, missing number, and 34. That means what comes between 32 and 34. Next question is this: what comes between 55 and 57? So there is nothing to learn, just you see the number, recognize the number, what you learn in the before numbers. Same rule will be followed for the between also. How we learn? Don't see the first number. These numbers you don't see when somebody is asking your before number. Just see the last number. Just see these last number. I have already told, when any numbers ends from 1 to 9, their first number will not be changed. Only last number will change. So first number is 3. We are writing. What comes before 4? Anybody can tell me? 3. Very good. 5 will be same. What comes before 7? 6. I did not ask any answer from any child. Only I asked what comes before 4. You said 3. I have written here 3. I asked what comes before 7. You have told me 6. So that your answer immediately came. And now your accurate answer is on the screen. You can see 32, 33, 34, 55, 56, 57. All numbers in proper order and proper sequence, no problem. Now let's with some other examples. Take some more example like 66, 68, 72, 74. So I hope you can see this, but every numbers you cannot learn in the maths. Sometimes some students are very sharp in mind, they can reply fast, but everyone cannot in the class. So I am telling for all what I told. When somebody is asking between numbers, don't see these first numbers, just cross it. Don't go on this number, just see only these two numbers which are given at the back. Just I said, if any numbers int from 1 to 9, first number will never change. 6 will be same. What comes before 8? 7. 7 will be same. What comes before 4? 3. Now you see, match the sequence. 66, 67, 68, 72, 73, 74. I hope this example is make the things clear, but some more examples we will take here, like 61, 63, 92, 94. See what you will find out, what comes between 61 and 63, and next question, what comes between 92 and 94. Don't fear, concept is very clear. I will ask, don't see these numbers, just cross it. You see only these numbers. Immediately you will find, I am asking just before, if you will hide these numbers, your concept will be as very much clear, because just I am asking before numbers only. Because when somebody is asking before number, the line will be in front of these numbers, so that becomes as a before. So no problem. What we are following in before number, if any numbers ends from 1 to 9, the first digit will not be changed. So here 6 should be same. What comes before 3? 2. 9 will be same. What comes before 9? 4, sorry, 3. What comes before 4? 3. So now you match the sequence: 61, 62, 63, 92, 93, 94. Clear? Any doubt? Very good. Now I am taking some examples of exceptional number. Clear? 28, 30, 58, 60. Exceptional number in between also, because what you are learning, you are solving the sums with the rule of before numbers, because you will not see these numbers. And I already told when I taught my previous class, if any numbers ends on 0, the 0 will change into 9. Very good. And which number will change? The number which sitting near the 0. So which sitting near the 0 are taking place near the 0? 3 is taking the place near the 0. So what comes before 3? 2. And 0 change into 9. See, this is the 6. What comes before 6? 5. And 0 change into 9. Now see the sequence: 28, 29, 30, 58, 59, 60. I hope which I have started chapter with the 2-digit numbers is clear, but today's our topic with the 3-digit numbers. So let's see with the 3-digit numbers. There. This is your square copy. I especially brought for you because while you are writing you make mistake. because you forgot to write numbers under the right position of the place, like 100 tens ones. The number which are under the ones should be there, which are under the tens you have to write under the tens, and which are under the 100, that means you have to write under the 100. That means the number where it is taking position you should write at a correct box. One box, only one number. I am writing 3-digit number 125 and 127, 332 and 334, 367 and 369. Have you seen 3 examples I have taken for you? I hope this will make your concept very much clear. I already told कि don't see these numbers when you are solving between numbers. So just you hide these numbers, go to these numbers. This is your fill up space. I said if any numbers ends on from 1 to 9. This is also ends on 7, this ends on 4, and this ends on 9. So it means our first number will not be changed. So we write 1, 2. What comes before 7? 6. Got the answer? This number ends on 4, that means these numbers will not change. We will write 3, 3. And what comes before 4? 3. Our numbers is ends on 9, that means previous number will not be changed. 3 and 6 will be here. And what comes before 9? 8. So now read together 125, 126, 127, 332, 333, 334, 367, 368, 369. I hope 3 examples is enough to understand. But let's take 1-2 more examples for you. See, I am taking some more examples for you, like 440, 330, 660. Here is here. Now I am writing these numbers from here. 442, 332 and 362. You have to see me, every students can never learn all the numbers from 1 to 1000. It's very difficult to learn all the time. So somebody is asking, you forgot. So for that you have to use the trick, how to solve it. We need to find what the numbers comes between two numbers, like 440 and 442. So what comes between these two numbers? Let's see. I already told don't see these numbers. These numbers can confuse you. So just hide these numbers. You go to last numbers. Your numbers ends on 2. This is also ends on 2. This is also. Why I taken the similar number? Because I have put 0 in these numbers. So you don't see these numbers. That's why I taken similar number at every place. So no confusion will be there. I told that means first two numbers will not be changed. What comes before 2? 1. Very good. These two numbers will not be changed. What comes before 2? 1. These two numbers will not be changed. What comes before 2? 1. So now read out with me. 440, 441, 442, 330, 331, 332, 360, 361, 362. Is it clear to all? We got easily. I never asked, you told me 441. No one said this one. I only asked what comes before 2. You said 1, you find your answer. There is no problem. Now we will discuss about exceptional number which I have learnt in our previous classes. What are exceptional number? Like 148, 668, 928, 150, 670 and 930. Three examples I have set for you. I hope these three examples will make your concept clear. See, these numbers is ends on 9 and 9 will change into 0 will change into these numbers ends on 0. So 0 will change into 9. Where it will change? It will change into 9. Always remember, if any numbers ends on 0, whether in between numbers or in the before number, 0 always converted into 9. You don't see these numbers, just hide these numbers. That means there's nothing. Only just put your hand or copy on that one. Only we will see these numbers. You say, I have already told the number which is sitting near the 0. So now the first number 1 will be same, and what is sitting near the 0? 5. Who is sitting near the 0? 5. So 5, what comes before 5? 4. And 0 change into 9. See, here 0 is there. Which number is sitting the 0? Near 7 is sitting near the 0. So first number 6 will be same, and 7 is sitting near the 0. So what comes before 7? 6. And 0 change into 9. This is also, here you will see 9 will be same, and this 0 is there, and who is sitting near the 0? 3. So 3, what comes before 3? 2. And 0 change into 9. Now let's read out all the numbers. 148, 149 and 150. 668, 669, 670. 928, 929, 930. I hope you have